In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a VLC media library step by step, even if you've never used this feature before. VLC Media Player is known for playing almost any media file, but a lot of people don't realize it also includes a built-in media library that helps you organize your music and videos in one place. This is perfect if you want quick access to your files, custom playback order, and reusable playlists. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking the VLC icon on your desktop from your Applications folder or by searching for VLC in your Start menu or Spotlight search. Once VLC is open, you'll see the main player window. Next, go to the top menu bar. Click on View, and from the drop-down menu, select Playlist. This will open the Playlist panel, which is where the media library lives. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open the playlist using Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac. Now, look at the left side of the playlist window. From the left menu, choose Media Library. This section is designed to store and organize all the media you want quick access to inside VLC. If this is your first time opening it, the library may appear empty, and that's completely normal. The next step is very important. In the Media Library section, check the box that says Use Media Library. Enabling this option tells VLC to actively manage and display your media files in the library view. Without checking this box, your files won't be saved as part of the media library. Once the media library is enabled, move your cursor to the main library area on the right. Right-click anywhere in that empty space and select Add Files. You can also add entire folders, depending on your version of VLC, which is useful if you have a large music or video collection organized in folders. After clicking Add Files, a file browser window will open. Navigate to the location on your computer where your music or video files are stored. Select the files or folders you want to add to your VLC media library. Then click Open. VLC will now import those files into the library. You should see them appear in the main library area almost instantly. At this point, your media is officially part of the VLC media library. You can click on any item to start playback right away. If you want to customize the playback order, simply drag items up or down within the playlist. This makes it easy to arrange tracks, videos, or episodes in the exact order you prefer. Once you're happy with your selection and order, you can save everything as a playlist for later use. To do this, go back to the top menu and click Media. Then choose Save Playlist to File. Choose a file format such as M3U or XPFF. Give your playlist a clear name and select a location on your computer to save it. This allows you to reopen the playlist anytime without rebuilding your library from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully created a VLC media library, added files, organized playback order, and saved a playlist for future use. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more VLC and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.